Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. Galaxy A57 prototype, likely benchmarked, revealing top new features and hardware upgrades. According to the latest available data, Samsung's own new powerful chipset benchmarked ahead of its official debut. A yet-to-be-announced Samsung chipset appeared on Geekbench, revealing its GPU specs and many other new top upgrades. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. The budget super sub-flagship, the Samsung Galaxy A56, made its global debut back in March 2025, but it took its sweet time to launch in the United States. Even before it hit the US market, early details about its successor, the Samsung Galaxy A57 5G, had already been revealed on the network. The most exciting future sub-flagship, the Galaxy A57, is reportedly set to pack Samsung's new powerful chipset. Today, a prototype featuring the yet-to-be-released, Samsung's own Exynos 1680 chipset was benchmarked. This was confirmed via Abhishek Yadav on X, revealing new details about its GPU performance. As NotebookCheck blog speculates that, this could very well be the Galaxy A57's prototype, equipped with the Exynos 1680 chipset. Hopefully, that gives us an early look at what to expect from the upcoming mid-range sub-flagship device. The chipset in question is believed to be the Exynos 1680 and it features an Xclipse 550 GPU. The chip appeared with the model number S5E865 and scored a 6330 OpenCL score. It is expected to be based on AMD's RDNA 3.5 microarchitecture, which is also used on the flagship Exynos 2500. Interestingly, this GPU has fewer compute units, CUs, 2 compared to the 4 found in its predecessor, the Xclipse 540. This does raise some questions about how it will perform in real-world scenarios. Looking at the benchmark, the mid-range smartphone can be seen with 8 GB of RAM. In addition, as for the other smartphone characteristics, the Samsung Galaxy A57 will be equipped with a 6.7-inch FHD Plus Super AMOLED display, with 120Hz refresh rate, a 50-megapixel triple main cameras, improved 5000 mAh battery, and 45 watts wired fast charging speed. The new upcoming Galaxy A57 will likely bring similar specs, but with Samsung's new powerful chipset. It is rumored to be at the helm of the upcoming Samsung Galaxy A57, and will likely make its way to more Samsung Galaxy A series mid-rangers, once it is officially announced. It is expected that the new Samsung Galaxy A57 will launch in the first quarter of next year. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.